hypnotized and sick. He plays another trick. My mind's bent and sinful. Give me a break, you little freak. What if I'm stuck with you? What if I'm stuck with you? I play hard till it's over. What if I'm done with you? What if I'm done with you? Come over. Yes, you do. What if I'm stuck with you?
kapatmayız bunu.
Now take